location matters, and Puna places you at the center of growth, convenience, and opportunities right here in Airport West. My name is Juliet Badividara, property consultant with Val Real Estate Ghana. Engineer Isaac, it's good to have you on our set today.
Thank you.
Last month I was here, we were driving a few piles down, 70 meters if I remember.
Yeah, 70.
Also, Engineer Osama mentioned that the watering system was underway. Can you give us a brief of what has happened over the month?
Okay, thank you very much.
Yes.
We are driving piles and then we are done with almost 54 piles. In total, we are driving 84 pounds.
Oh, okay.
But we are done with 54.
We are more than halfway through.
Yeah,
that.
we are more than half.
Okay.
So we are left with 30 pounds more to go.
Okay.
And then we are hoping to finish it before the month ends.
Okay.
And then afterwards, we go to the next stage.
Okay. Which is excavation.
Which is bulk excavation.
Okay. So with the dewatering, how is it going?
We are keeping the water level 15 meter below. We keep it 15 meter below so that when we are doing the bulk excavation, we will not have the soil collapsing into the excavation.
Okay. So come next month, what should the clients expect to see when they come?
We hope to start bulk excavation and then preparing the groundworks as well. Yes,
thank you very much for having us.
Thank you.
And then we hope to see significant progress.
Thank you also.
Thank you. Puna combines accessibility, modern living, and a strong potential in one of Accra's fastest growing locations, Airport West. If you have a friend or family that is looking to make a purchase, speak to our team today. Refer and earn with Val Real Estate. To stay informed, stay connected. Follow us on all our social media platforms.